Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday we did two questions from AS level paper 22 June 20, November 2021, and today we'll complete the paper inshallah. So let's see your paper. So here is your paper, November 2021, paper 22. Now see class, my students, we did this question yesterday, income statement of the stock company. Then we did errors of Shamal traders. Now today we have to start with this question number 3, and the question number 3 says it's also from joint stock company. Previously in November 2021, two questions were there from um, companies, and that created a chaos in the mind of students who were appearing in the for this paper. There are two questions from the company, and these were expected. I have told them that partition is not important for November 2021. Importance which I have given to the students, and even I posted them on CoAli as well, on my students. So now, okay, this question from company accounting. Now, we have to make a T account of ordinary share capital. Okay, we'll make the T account, no problem. Okay, now 30th June 2020. Okay. Now, what we'll do, we'll write here 2020, okay, and here we'll write July 2020. That was the starting year, and ordinary share capital balance brought down was 1,50,000. Ordinary share capital balance BD $150,000. Now, what happened during the year? This is very important. What happened during the year is very important. See, first thing is right issue. Right issue is for one ordinary share for every 5 ordinary shares. It means at the rate of 0.7. So what we have to do, first we have we should know the number of shares. Number of shares 1,50,000 total ordinary capital divided by par value of shares 0.5. That means there were 300,000 shares. For number of shares we know 300,000 number of shares. Okay. Now we have issued 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 means 1 divided by 5 is 20%. So we have issued 300,000 multiplied by 20%. Right issue, that is 60,000 shares. We have issued 60,000 shares, and the par value of share is 0.5. So that would make your share capital right issue $30,000. Okay. 1 upon 5 means 1 upon 1 for 5 shares means 25% of the total number of shares. So the total number of shares is 300, 5% is 60,000, 60,000 multiplied by 0.5. So we got that issued first August. Now here we write August 1. We received Here ordinary share capital should always be created with the par value, not with the premium amount, with the par value. So the par value of 60,000 shares multiplied by 0.5, that would make the value $30,000. Done. Okay. Now what happened on 1st December? Paid a dividend of 0.2 per share on all shares issued at that date. Do you know that 3,000 number of shares was the starting number of shares, and here we issued 60,000 number of shares. So total we have 360,000 number of shares available. Multiply by 0.02, so that would make your dividend 7,200. We have paid. Okay, so that is not going to report anywhere in the ordinary share capital account. Okay, but we know that. Okay, 7,200. Okay, so I'm going to write it over here, 7,200. Okay, done. Okay, made a bonus issue of 2 ordinary shares for every 9 shares held. 2 upon 9. Okay, so 2 divided by 9 is a difficult. Okay, now 360,000 total number of shares divided by 9 multiplied by 2 means we have issued 80,000 ordinary shares as a bonus shares on 1st March 2021, and multiply by par value, that will make 40,000 number of shares. But the thing is, we do not have share premium to settle the ordinary share capital. We have only how much we have share premium available total. So what we do, we are leaving this question here. We will first go to make key account for share premium, or we can do it using calculation also. When we issue 7,200 multiplied by 0.2, 60,000 multiplied by 0.2, that would make your premium here. In this, your premium is $12,000. Okay, so now we have total premium 25,000 is given plus 12,000, that makes 37,000. And for bonus issue, we are using our share premium of 37,000 along with the, so the issue is for 40,000, this bonus share. Bonus share, how to calculate bonus share? 3,60,000, we have total number of shares issued, multiply by 2 upon 9. So 3,60,000 divided by 9 multiplied by 2, answer 80,000. 80,000 multiplied by 0.5 par value, it means $40,000. But we have only share premium available 37,000, so it means the remaining 3,000 we will take out from reserves. Retained earnings, I think. Okay. Now, this bonus issue was made on 1st March 2021. So what we have to do here, we have to change the year 2021 and March 1st. So we will write share premium 37,000, and same day we will take out retained earnings 3,000 to make the bonus issue of 40,000 successful. Okay, successfully we have settled 37,000 from share premium and 3,000 from retaining. That makes 40,000 bonus issue. Okay, now nothing to debit in share capital account ever. So what we do, we will take totals over here. So what is the total? 150,000 plus 30,000 plus 40,000. 220,000. 220,000 total on this side. So that is also 2021. The balance CD will be 20,000. That is on 30th June. June 30. Okay. And balance CD here. $220,000. Total. Yeah. 220,000. Account is closed. Yeah. Now 2021. July. July is very well. July 1st. Balance brought down 200. Done. This account is complete. Okay, I have to remove this. Okay. Now move to the next share premium. So 2021, so 2020, July 1st. Balance brought down was 25,000. Share premium. Share premium, yes. 25,000 is balance brought down. Okay. Now uh, for right issue. Right issue was made on 1st March 2021. Okay. No, sorry. 1st August 2020. And the amount we here we have calculated this one, this amount. That was 12,000. So 12,000 we received as share premium. August 1st. Bank and bank transfer. Done. Now get total over here. Total was obviously 37,000. And this 37,000 has transferred for bonus issue on March 1st, 2021. 2021, March 1st, transferred to ordinary share capital account. Ordinary share capital account, 37,000. Okay. So altogether, we have 37,000 done. Okay. Retained earning 2020, July 1st. Opening balance, balance BD. How much was the balance BD? 28,700. 28,700. 28,700 is the opening balance of 18. Okay. Now what happened? First, on 2020, in 2020, December 1. We have issued or we have paid ordinary share capital, ordinary share dividend. So bank, and we have calculated that how much. Here it is. 7,200. 1st December 2020, I have calculated 7,200. So this is going to be reported over here. Yeah, on the wrong side. Here we are, share premium 7,000. Now we have 2021 June 30 profit and loss account from income statement, that is given 76,520. 76,520. Okay, this is from income statement. Okay, now for bonus issue uh, we have suffered 3,000 on March 1st. So that is going to be reported over here. We have to send them to ordinary share capital account. 3,000 for bonus issue. 3,000 for bonus issue. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to take out the totals. Okay. The total would be how much? It's a calculator. 28,700 plus 76,520. The total is 105,220. 105,220. So here it would be definitely 105,220 minus 7,200 minus 3,000, that is 95,020 is your balance CD in return. 95,020 is your balance CD on 30th June 2021. Balance CD. Now 2021 June, sorry, July 1st. Balance BD 95,000. Done. State two differences between capital reserve and revenue reserve. Capital reserves are basically proceeding from non-trading activities. Revenue reserves are proceeding from revenue profit-related activities or business operations. Okay, capital reserves cannot be used for payment of dividends or something. Revenue can be used for payment of dividends or something. Achha, why company do issues a bonus share? Bonus share means when you want to compensate your shareholders for not giving them dividends for a long time, or you have sustained losses, and after that, when you are started making profit, you give them bonus share just to compensate. Okay. Now, Hayden manufactured two products A and B. The business operates two production department, means machining and finishing, and two service departments, stores and maintenance. Identify one possible business opportunity that the business could use in respect of rental rates. Rental rates must be floor space. Floor space. Okay, machinery. Book value. Okay. Electricity of machinery. kW kilowatt hours. Now, number of the following information available: machining and finishing department. Okay. Complete the following table show the apportionment of budgeted overhead costs for the year ended 30th September 2020 stores and maintenance. Now we have to reapportion maintenance cost of 53,325. So it means we have to make it zero. 53,325 should be zero. And this is going to be apportioned between two cost centers, machining and finishing department. So 53,325 we should apportion on the basis of what? Number of orders from the store, maintenance call out, budgeted idea. I think number of orders from store. So total orders in this case it would be 3,200 plus 1,800. 5,000 is number of. So we can calculate on the basis of stores, orders to stores. Machining department 3,200 divided by 5,000 multiply by 53,325. Answer is 34,128. 34,128. Okay. Now minus 53,325. 19,197 would be the cost. We don't need to calculate for we just minus. We just deduct. Okay. That is 19,197 added to cost center and deducted from stores. Now what are the subtotals? Here 188,850 plus 34,128. The total would be 222,978. 222,978. Here total would be 172,850 plus 19197, 192,047, 192,047. Done. Okay. Now maintenance cost. So what we have to do here, we have to reduce maintenance cost to 0, 34,775. So what would be the best of maintenance cost? 160 and 32. I think this is the best for total call outs is how much? 160 plus 32 is 192. Okay. So 34,775. No, first we have to take order. 160 divided by 192 multiply by 34,775. That would make 28,979. 28,979. So if you deduct 34,775 minus 28,979, we'll get 5,796 as finishing. 5,796. Okay, so now what are the total overhead costs? 222,978 plus 28,979 025191957. So that is 251,957. If you get totals over here, 192,047 plus 5,796. 197,843. 197,843. Done. This is for. It's a good question. It was easy to get marks. Okay. Now calculate two decimal places and overhead absorption rate. So for machining department. machining कुछ और ही होगा. Now what we have to do, the total overhead cost is how much? 251957. 251957. 251957 divided by, I think the best is labor hours. So how much is the labor hour in the question? Sorry, machine hours. I think we should take it machine hours. 38,600. 38,600. 38,600. That would be better. Is equal to how much? 251. 251,957. 251,957 divided by 38,600. The answer is 6.527. So, as per the policy of CIE, we have around 6.53. 6.53 per machine hour. Okay. Now, what about the other department, finishing? Total overhead cost, we have calculated 197,843. 197,843 we calculated, divided by, in this we use labor hours, 90,800 labor hours. Okay. 19,800 labor hours would be, I think, good for that. Here we are. 19,800 divided by 19,800. The answer would be 197,843 divided by 19,800. The answer is $9.99. So divided 9.99. $9.99 per direct labor hour. Per labor hour. Labor. ठीक है? Okay, done. 4C. Okay. Now C. Machining and finishing. So we'll write heading over here. Machining and finishing. Okay. Now actual overhead. Actual overhead. Actual overheads. 265,800. 265,800. For finishing, 187,420. 187,420. Okay. This is it. Now absorb overhead. Absorbed overhead. Now, in machining department, we'll use machine hours 36,940 multiply by dollar. The rate we calculated previously was 6.53. $6.53. So That would make how much? 26940 multiplied by 6.53, 241218. 241218. 241218. Acha, what about finishing department? Labor hours, total labor hours, how much? Sorry, where we are. Labor hours 19,260. 19,260. So we'll write here 19,260 multiplied by dollar. Its rate was 9.99. 9.99. So 19,260 multiplied by 9.99. The answer is 192,407. 192,407. 192,407. So clearly we have under absorbed machining and uh, 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 192,407. We have under absorbed. Definitely we have under absorbed machining department and we have over absorbed finishing department. So here we are. The right answer here 265, 265, 800 minus 241,218, 25,580, 24,582, 24,582 under absorbed. Okay, what about here? We have 187,420 minus 192,407, 4987 over absorbed. 4,987 over absorbed. Okay, this is it. We got 4 marks. D, last part in this page. Okay, the following information is available for 1 unit of product I, direct material, direct labor, machinery, machining, finishing. The customer requested quotation of supplying 200 units of agent required a 30% gross profit margin on the order. Statement to show the total selling price that had been quoted to the customer. Now see, first what we have to do, we have to write cost of direct materials. Cost of direct materials. Cost of direct material, DM is how much? 36.2. 36.2 multiplied by 200 units. 36.2 that is make 7,240 dollar 7,000. Now labor, direct labor, uh, 45 minutes. 45 minutes means 45 divided by 60 is equal to 45. That would make 45 minutes for each. So for 200 units, we have direct labor cost for 45 minutes. For 1 unit, we take 45 minutes. So direct labor cost for 45 minutes. $8 multiplied by 75%, that is $6. So $6 multiplied by 200 units, that would make 1,200. Labor cost 1,200. This is for machining department. Direct labor for machining department. Machining department. Direct labor for machining department. Achha, now direct labor for finishing department. What we are charging? See, 60 minutes for dollar. In 1 hour, $10 for 1 hour. 1 unit, 1 hour, $10. So 200 units means 2000. Okay. So $10 multiplied by 200 units. That would make the cost 2000. Direct labor cost from machine finishing department is 2000. Now overheads. Now overheads. Overheads for machining department, we know the absorption rate. For machining department, we know the rate. How much machine hours? 20 minutes for 1 unit. 20 minutes is how much? 20 minutes. So 20 minutes means the rate 20 minutes of machine. 20 minutes is how much? Okay. Now see. There we are. Okay, here. So machining department. Overhead of absorption rate was $6.53. 6.53 multiplied by 20 upon 60, 20 minutes upon 60, and then multiply by 200 units. So that would make 6.53 multiplied by 20 divided by 60 multiplied by 200. So that would make 436, almost 436. So $436 is the amount of overhead. Now, what about overhead finishing department? Overhead finishing means the rate was $9.99 multiplied by how much it is, the total time, labor hours, how much? Labor hours finishing 30 minutes. So multiply by 30 upon 60 multiply by 2. So that would be 9.99 multiplied by 30 divided by 60 multiplied by 200. That is 9.99 multiplied by 30 divided by 60 multiplied by 200. Now overhead $9.99 multiplied by 200, that would make 1,998. So 1,998. Now the total cost price is how much? This is cost of order is much? 7240 plus 1200 plus 2000 plus 436 plus 1998. That is 12,874. 12,874. Now, 12,874 is your cost price, which is 70% of the selling price. Because 30% is gross profit. So if you calculate the selling price, 12,874 is 70%. So multiply by 100 divided by 70, our selling price would be 80,391. Okay, our selling price, quoted price we call it, quoted selling price would be, yeah, that is 18,391. So if we deduct total selling price from cost price minus 12,874, we'll get 5,517 as our profit. 5,517. Done. Now Hayden is considered using Hayden is considered using one factory-wide overhead absorption rate rather than separate department overhead. Advise Hayden whether or not should use one factory-wide operation to justify your answer. I think it's easy to use one factory-wide, easy to calculate, easy to save time, saves money also. Okay? But we cannot identify the intense level of machine hours and labor hours. Okay? Extra two factor over absorption of overhead. In case of over absorption means over absorption would result in increased selling price, increased cost price, and increased selling price. That would not be beneficial for the business because we have to compete and we have to survive in a competitive environment. Okay, so we should use the correct value of absorption. Okay, are you getting my point? Sometimes, and obviously, over absorb will show lower profits than actually what we have. Okay, so that's all for today. Mashallah, we have completed our paper today. November 2021, paper 22, your variant we have completed today. 2 questions we did yesterday and 2 questions we have done today. Mashallah. So if you have any queries, any problems, if you want any assistance, leave a comment, subscribe my channel. Remember me in your Ramzan prayers. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.